My dear friends, brothers and sisters, I'm talking about Bangalore, Bruhat Mahanagara Palika, BBMP. It's an elected urban local body under the Karnataka Municipal Corporation Act. Most specific, painful information that we have to accept. It is not required to take approval from Residential Welfare Association before executing the works. Our residential welfare associations are advisory, not statutory authorities. But we have to pay tax, professional tax, eh, property tax. But you are not authorized for anything. You only have to pay money to the government. However, for road digging, drainage work, why doesn't BBMP call for files and show them to experts? In theory, BBMP does the follow a file process. Project proposal by engineering wing, technical estimate preparation, tender process, administrative approval. Technical sanction by qualified engineers. Work order to the contractor, but in reality, the problems happen due to poor supervision, political pressure, corruption or contractor influence, lack of independent structural audit. Public consultation before major works, ward committee review, independent technical audit, transparency of project files online, social audit after completion. Cities like parts of Mumbai and Pune use this citizen consultation more effectively. Why does the infrastructure failure cause deaths? Common reasons in Bangalore: open stormwater drain, poorly barricaded roadworks, collapsing compound wall during rain, waterlogging due to bad drainage planning, uncovered manholes. These are the administrative negligence issues. What we can do? Since we are Bangalore, we are in Bangalore, you can file a written complaint, send a written complaint to BBMP Commissioner. Chief Engineer, roads for storm water drains. B. Use Karnataka Sakala Public Grievance Portal. C. File RTI. Ask. Was the structural audit conducted? Who approved the project? Who is the responsible engineer? What safety inspection was done? RTA creates accountability. Approach ward committee. Every ward has a ward committee under BBMP Act. RW Resident Welfare Association can raise issues there. The public interest litigation of if repeated deaths occur due to negligence, High Court intervention is possible. Why system doesn't automatically change? because accountability is diffused. Engineers rarely face personal liability. Political interference. Citizens complain individually, not collectively. When resident welfare associations unite and act formally, authorities respond faster. We can draft a strong complaint letter to BBMP, draft RTA questions, guide how to escalate to Karnataka High Court. This is a serious civic matter and we have a right to question it. No post work quality inspection. Many approvals are internal. Independent expert reviews is not always mandatory unless it is a major project, flyovers, under process, or bridges. Why does BBMP take approval from resident welfare associations? Legally, layout improvements, local traffic changes. BBMP can consult board committees, citizen groups, but often this consultation is weak or symbolic. What we should do right, a good governance practice include total commitment from the persons who pay tax to stand upon and ask BBMP through Lokayukta, the number one. In any industry, like public sector industry, we are also asked to pay. So we are asked to inform what is the properties you have made every year. Every year supposed to sign it midday, send it to personal department. Number, number two, why the civil engineers, executive engineers in BBMP and IAS officers, ministers are not in, are not asked to follow it? Oh, hey, Megla, வா பிரிண்ட் பண்ணலாமா? வாங்க.
அப்புறம் கன்சியூமர் பிவேர் அதெல்லாம் இருக்கா? இருக்கா? எங்க இருக்காது? கைட்ல இருக்கா? இதே மாதிரி இருக்கா? நீங்க கொஞ்சம் வாங்கவே இதை முடிச்சு கொடுங்க. பஞ்ச் பண்ற அளவு நான் வெயிட் பண்ணாட்டீங்க. எங்க என்ன கூப்பிட்டீங்க?
இப்பதானே வந்தேன்.
கூப்பிட்டேன்
ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம் வெயிட் பண்ண.
அப்புறம் 2 நிமிஷம் பண்ணிக்கீங்க.
அதே சரியாச்சு பேப்பர் சீரியல வச்சுருங்க. 2 நிமிஷம் போறோம்.
2 நிமிஷம் இந்த பாருங்க முதலே டேட்டுங்களா இந்த டேட்